If you want to get free education in one of the richest countries in the world, which is known for its high academic standards, well-regarded research outputs, and student-centered teaching methods, continue watching this video. Swiss Excellence Scholarship is offering fully funded scholarship for international students who want to pursue PhD at university in Switzerland. Okay, first, what majors are included? You can apply for any major you want and you can choose any university in Switzerland to study PhD. The second thing, who can apply? Students from all over the world can apply. So far, there are 180 participant countries in this scholarship. How can you apply? You have to contact the Swiss representative in your country, usually it's Swiss embassy, and inform that you want to apply for Swiss Excellence Scholarship. They will inform you about the procedure because depending on the country where you come from, procedure can vary. You can find the email to contact Swiss representative in your country in the document I will share with you below in the description of this video. The second thing, you have to find a supervisor at Swiss institution who will agree to supervise your thesis and provide you support letter which will be included in your application package. The next thing, you have to prepare 2 copies of all the documents that you need. I will talk about the documents further and submit it to the Swiss embassy in your own country. Please remember that applying for the scholarship and applying for the university are 2 different procedures that you have to do. So when you start your application for Swiss Excellence Scholarship, please start also your application at the university where you want to study in Switzerland. What documents do you need? First, research proposal, which is the key of your application package. So pay attention, very thorough attention to drafting your research proposal. The second thing is motivation letter. I have separate video on how to write motivation letter for a scholarship. Please watch it. The third thing is support letter that I have already mentioned, including the CV of a professor who agreed to support your application and supervise you during your studies. And the last thing is your master's degree and academic transcripts. What are the benefits of the scholarship? You will get monthly stipend of 1,920 Swiss francs per month, which is about 23,000 Swiss francs for a year. Swiss francs is a little bit less than US dollar, so you will get in a month approximately 1,600 US dollars. Tuition fee is not covered by scholarship, but this is very tricky thing. You have to remember that tuition fee is super low in Switzerland. Depending on university, you will pay from 600 to 800 Swiss francs per semester. For example, in 2023, tuition fee at the University of Zurich, which is one of the best universities in the world, was only 730 Swiss francs, which is almost 500 US dollars. And additionally, with student residence card, which you will get during your studies in Switzerland, you will be able to work part-time. It's about 15 hours in a week and earn decent salary. Even if cost of living is quite high in Switzerland, salaries are high also. For example, in 2023, the salary of receptionist with no experience was about 50,000 Swiss kron per year, which is approximately 4,200 Swiss francs per month. When can you apply? Depending on the country you come from, the opening dates and the deadline may vary, but in most of the cases it's beginning of the August, so please go and check in the website, which I will share with you below, your specific country, apply, and I wish you good luck.